Hello there, welcome to another video from Max Revs. It seems like ages since I brought a video to you guys. What a day it's been. This morning I did a live stream with Pinky Lai. I was so buzzed. It was great speaking to him. Great listening to about the 987 Cayman. You heard it first. He called it a timeless classic design. He wouldn't touch it, and he always said the first one is the more special one. So I really do believe the 987 is going to go down in history as a real sought after piece of a vehicle, and I think it's worth looking after that car. Now, I was in two minds about, do I go aftermarket? Do I go get an exhaust mod done? Do I get the numeric shifter cables? All I know right now, Porsche were doing all my servicing at an official Porsche garage. I found another tuning company I've come to visit today, and I've just got a list of all the work that I may do. The company is called 9 Excellence. They put together some prices for me. There was always something that was bothering me around my steering, and I wasn't too sure what it was, and that was the fact that when my car's stationary, you can kind of wiggle the steering wheel. The wheels don't move. I always call that a little bit of play in the wheels. When I'm driving, it's fine, but basically on the move, it just didn't feel right to me. So I've kind of got a spec of a sheet of all the work that they can do, and I've even been given a this is what's called the front track rod end, where the steering rack goes into this. I've actually had it demonstrated to me how all these bits and pieces go into like bushings and joints, and how things can wear. I've got a list of all the work I'm going to do on my car, and it's a good thing that I've been saving my money and didn't spend it on a 718 GT4, because I'm going to get my front inner, or you can just sort of see the list here, that's the spec sheet there. I'm going to get front inner and the track rod ends done. I'm going to get the front control arms replaced. I'm going to replace the power steering fluid, and there needs to be some suspension geometry alignment done after that's done. And then I'm going to fit, I'm pretty sure at this stage it's the original Porsche PSE switchable exhaust. That's coming in at £2,130. Now, I wanted to keep my car original Porsche. I didn't want to go aftermarket, especially after what Pinky said. Apologies to anyone that's aftermarket there. That's my current thought process right now. I may choose to change my mind later, but that's where I'm going. And that's pretty much what I'm going to do. Is the work it's going to come in for is get all the front suspension component, get all the front steering looked at. That's the track rod ends, the bushings can wear. Going to get the alignment done, going to get a new one of these, and then I'm going to get the Porsche PSE exhaust, and it's going to be like the car was almost brand new and spec with the PSE when it left the factory. Enjoying life in cars to the max. Today's the first journey I've had out. I've loved every minute of it. The sun's out here in the Porsche, in a great car, in the great weather with you guys. I can't believe how far this channel's come from something that was just a little hobby for me. It's really going places, and I thank it all to you for enjoying and sharing with me along the journey. Enjoying life in cars to the max. Thanks for joining me along this journey, and I can't wait to get my Porsche back into modern tip-top condition as it left the factory, but with PSE. Oh, I can't wait. See you later, guys.